Present! How are you? Ow! Ow! Did you sleep or no? Oh my goodness. Why? You have to charge yourself after work and everything. What happened? Are you a robot? You did not sleep? Maybe you sleep, but only 1 hour or two, which is not good for your body. You have to work, sleep, eat. 2 a.m. here. Oh my gosh. 2, 3, 4. We are almost 3 hours ahead from India. It's 4:51 here. Why you did not sleep? What are you doing in the middle of the night? 4 hours is enough na. Yeah, but it looks like you did not sleep. You can sleep. Lead my life. Good morning, Dudang. Kumusta ka naman? Aga-aga ko nagising. Andre, hello. Ayaw ko pa sayawa kay kapoy. Tamad pa nga ako bumangon. Maaga ako nagising eh. Kanina pa ako nagising. Exercise pa nga ako dito. Lami, sayaw mo na, ma'am. Tinatamad ako gumising. Ay ko pa sayawa doon. Dahil antok pa ako. So you can give me instead of pocket of your bank change. Oh, yung aking in-upload, hindi nag-upload. Wala kasi signal. Hello, 11 people. You are my super sweet, cute, beautiful, young, pretty, favorite prinsesya. Ay, grabe ka naman. Ina-over naman ito. It's too over, huh? It's too real package. You're kidding me. You're kidding me a lot.